Hi guys, welcome back to Shankitchen GA. Thanks for all my returning subscribers for being on this journey with me. And if you are new, I want to welcome you. Just remember to press that notification bell to get notified whenever I post. So today's Saturday, and on Saturday what we do, we cook some good old soup. So I'm going to be making pumpkin soup. I'm going to be using chicken foot along with some chicken back. These are all my lovely ingredients. I had the chicken foot cleaned with the chicken back in lime water from who knows when. It's well cleaned, thoroughly cleaned. I have pumpkin, soup cannot be done without pumpkin. I have thyme around here as I go along, you guys will see. I have a lovely piece of yellow yam, hopefully it's yellow. I have the garlic, carrot, soup mix, pimento, a little piece of ginger, for flavor and spice. I have some corn, a scallion, Irish potato, and a hot pepper. As I go along, whatever ingredients is being added, I'll let you know what the additions are. And if there's something that I missed and I'm not putting in mine, it's okay. I'm sure your taste as lovely as mine. So come and cook some soup before night come down. It's either soup. So I'm going to be starting with my lovely pressure cooker. It has never failed. Cook along, I always clean along, so bear with me guys. Might kill a little time, yes, but that's the way I can prepare the garlic without taking off the garlic peels. Alright guys, so we have the garlic there. This one is the press. And the last two a little wholesome. Alright, I'll get it in there. So this is what it looks like. So this is the chicken, put the chicken back, the corn, the pumpkin to be pureed along, and the garlic with pimento and ginger. So I'm gonna get some water in. So guys, I have it about here. Right? So I'm going to get it covered and put it on the stove. Okay, so it's here now. So I'm going to get it. close. When you close it here, that click seal. So it's on already, so I'm going to start my lovely fire. We're going to leave that to pressure for about 15 to 20 minutes and then we'll get back. But in the same time, we're going to get these prepared over here so we don't have to do it later on. Now that we are waiting on the chicken foot pumpkin, everything to be thorough with all the rest of the ingredients for the addition, I'm going to use this precious little time and make my dumplings, or you could say need my flour. So it's some flour, not a lot because I don't want too much in, and a little salt. So I'm going to go ahead and eat it. I'm going to wash my hands. It's a little bit, oh, she never washed her hands. So I have to get the hands clean. This won't be taking any time. This is pretty simple. If you watch my stew, my vegan stew video, you will see how I make it as well. with the salt.